Hey guys, it's Quentin again with a new update on the 3D printed waterfall. I literally just picked this up from the gentleman that's been helping me 3D print these. It probably hasn't even been 20 minutes since I picked this up. So I got it. I have a great feeling about this one after my little test profile prints, which you saw in the last video. And if you haven't seen that video, just go click right up here and you'll be able to watch that video where I talk about these little test profile pieces I made for test fitting these to the dash. So I've got this one, and now we're gonna go try to put it in the car for the first time. All right, so here we are inside the car to test fit the version 2 prototype that I just picked up from the printer. Oh, look at that. She fits. I am super pumped. I'm gonna put on the crank knob handle and show you guys what that looks like here in just a second. Here it is with the crank handle on there. So the next steps are to start finishing it. If you notice right now, it's got some stuff here and here and kind of right here. These are just pieces left over from the 3D print. All right, so as you just saw, it fits. I'm super pumped about that. We're gonna start finishing it now. So what that means is lots of sanding, and we'll go from there. I'll probably shoot a few more videos as I'm finishing it, just so everyone can see what it takes to finish these things out. And then I'll send it off to the plater, and when I get it back, I'll put everything together on what it took to finish it and what it looks like finished, and then we'll put it in the car for the final time, and that hopefully will be it, and this project will be concluded. And then if anyone still is seeing these videos and is interested, hopefully I'll be able to offer these up for sale in varying degrees of finish. So just stay with me and we'll go from there. Also, I wanted to say thank you to Tom Rankin. He's the gentleman that's been helping me print these out, everything out. Without him, I could not have done this, and I really appreciate his work. And Jack Farrell for loaning me the original 1935 Ford Waterfall for me to take measurements off of and model it. Mike Meeker for letting me come out to his shop on Tuesday and match up my little one-off pieces with his dash that he has. And Mike's also going to help me finish this out with the sanding and spraying the primer and stuff. I'm going to be doing the sanding, but he's going to help me with the priming and stuff. So, and giving me advice along the way on how he thinks I should finish these out. So if none of this would be possible if it weren't for all of those guys. So I'm super grateful for that. And thank you guys for putting up with these videos and watching these and looking at all my posts about this. It's really helped keep me motivated to see this project to the end. So I'm super pumped about it, and I can't wait for what's next. So thanks guys.